Hi, I'm Mr. Muhammad Andri Arshad. I'm a design, 3D printing and robotic teacher. Welcome to Aspiration International School. One of the reasons for becoming a teacher is to contribute to my community in a meaningful way. Teaching is one of the most direct ways to make an impact. And if you are driven by the passion and desire to help those around you, being a teacher is an invaluable contribution. It's a great experience with great opportunities to deliver what you have and what's your specialty to students. It is a bit different from other schools because they will listen to you before they decide on something that especially will involve you. This will create a good bonding between teachers and school management in working together as a team. I enjoy teaching at AIS, especially when I'm teaching my favorite subjects. It will just make me want to do a lot of things that can amaze and inspire my students. It is all about total satisfaction in what I'm doing, in giving the best of my 110% to my beloved students. Freedom that was given to me to teach what I like and what I am good at were the things that make me enjoy teaching in AIS. AIS helped me to develop as a teacher. Since that I'm new to the IB education system here, I have been given a lot of training and seminars related to this. Backup and teacher support are managed excellently by the school management. My approach of teaching mostly will be more hands-on. That is when students will understand more of that particular concept of learning. I demonstrate in front of them and get them involved actively. I will make them talk and ask me a lot of questions, or otherwise, I will be questioning them. Okay, that's the task for today. Okay, follow a line. After that, off the black line. Okay, on your own feet, the hook in the frame. I will consider myself a vibrant, dynamic, and technology savvy to catch up with today's technology. I accept differing opinions from students in the classroom because every teacher knows that students love to give their opinions. Hearing what's in a student's head is one of the joys of the job. I love rich discussions. I love debating with them in the classroom and discussion group. I've learned from my students arguably more so than they have learned from me. As role models in academics, it means we have to honor opinions and focus on learning and sharing diverse viewpoints. Even if that means a student settles on a viewpoint we do not share. My mission as a teacher in AIS is to inculcate and transforms a new value and culture by making science and technology something to be appreciated by young people or the surrounding community and their dreams of becoming science and technology leaders.